Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I have some speed cleaning motivation for you guys, and as always I hope that it gets you up and going to get some things done around your home. As always, I will be sure to have all of the products listed down in that description box, so definitely check there if you all are interested. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. And as always, before we dive right in, if this is your first time here, then hello. Welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. Let's just dive right in, guys.
I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt. Cause when I sleep alone for insomnia, they say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough.
I did want to mention to you guys that I have been revisiting the Lysol multi-surface cleaner with hydrogen peroxide. I now remember why I didn't repurchase this the first time I used it. I don't know, I was kind of under the impression that it was more of a heavy duty cleaner, so I was going to use it in the bathroom for the tub, shower, as well as the toilet area. In my opinion, it is definitely not that type of cleaner. It's more of a surface cleaner. It smells really nice. It just didn't do a good job in my shower and in my bathtub. I will not be repurchasing this product, mainly because to me it's more of a day-to-day cleaner, and I just have other cleaners that I enjoy to use on a daily basis. Again, it smells amazing. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this product. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Again, I was just under the impression that it was more of a heavy-duty cleaner than what it actually performs as.
Let me show you how. Here we go. Outside the lines is uplifting and
saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt?
I went ahead and started a load of laundry. I had a few loads to do, nothing too crazy this day. I have been so consistent with keeping up on my laundry here lately, guys, because when it piles up, it's just an all-day process and ain't nobody got time for that. So I did go ahead and wipe down the machines as well as straighten up the cabinet. There were some things in there that could go downstairs, and I just went ahead and got rid of like some boxes because I'm just going to use this basket for the fabric sheets to free up some space.
Together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, vice. I'm all about your vibe. Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough, no, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff, though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe. apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to
Back into the laundry room, I'm just going to go ahead and rotate that laundry and get my cleaning towels started. I am going to add a little bit of vinegar straight into the load. I do that to my cleaning towels as well as our workout clothes. It does help strip the odor and cut down the product in the cleaning towels. I've been doing that for a long time. It's not something that I use in each and every load because all of our loads don't need it, but definitely cleaning towels as well as our workout clothes, and I also clean our washer on the regular basis. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If so, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up and come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.